This is a vlog video. It's pretty early in the morning right now. I got up before work to get this video done. My head itchy. Currently 6:32 in the morning. I have to be at work at 8 o'clock. Welcome back to another video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV. I am Simone. If you are new, welcome. If you're not subscribing or watching this video, go ahead and just hit subscribe and just join the rest of the subscribers that I have. Right now I have a head count of around 230 subscribers. Let's try to make that 500. Let's just try. Because I know some of y'all be watching my videos and some of y'all aren't subscribed. So let's change that. Support my channel.
You should just support me.
This is gonna be a lock video. I have other lock videos. I have my freeform hair journey, my freeform lock journey playlist that you guys should go check out if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. I'm gonna be using, I think her name is pronounced KaliyaAshley. KaliyaAshley. I don't know, y'all correct me if y'all know who she is. She has really beautiful locks, and she posted a video during quarantine on April 9th about how she retwists her locks and does her makeup. I'm not gonna do my makeup right now. I'm the everyday makeup. Maybe another video, but I'm gonna do the retwisting my locks portion, and she shows step by step. So let's go ahead and get it. I'm gonna put her video down here at the bottom so y'all can see it while I'm watching it. It's your girl Callie. I just woke up and I decided that I'm gonna make my first YouTube video today. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my hair, how I retwist my hair, and my everyday makeup look. A little bit about my locks. I've had them for 10 years now, and they're basically to my butt. On here, don't care. On here, don't care. But my locks started like right here. They were literally like, I personally don't like the messy, rough look. So I do like I'll let like the back of my hair and the middle of my hair grow out, but that front baby is getting done. So I'm gonna start by putting my hair in a ponytail. The ones that I'm not gonna do, I washed my hair like literally a week and a half ago, and did my hair. So, but it's starting to get like the rough look in the front. Okay, so she's about to basically just do the front of her hair, which is perfect for me because I don't think I have enough time to do my whole head. As y'all can y'all see the new growth? Can y'all see the new growth? She says she don't like the rough look. I love the rough look.
You like it rough, don't you?
I love it. But I like to look a little cleaned up sometimes. That I don't like, that I was just telling y'all about.
I don't like that.
Spray bottle. Comb. The hotel had it. Toothbrush. It's how you get the front ones to look amazing. I don't have any edge control. Usually I just use water on my edges and it works fine. Even. Because it's just too much work for me to try to buy edge control and figure out which kind works best for my edges. Sometimes they lay it down, sometimes they make it more curly. And sometimes you have to lay it down, like you have to lay it down with the toothbrush and then put a scarf on your head. And I just don't, it's just too many steps in the morning. Too many steps for me. And then I got my lock gel. It's Jamaican mango and lime. It's not the cream, but it's the gel. A lot of people don't like this product. You can really use any product that you want to use, you know. Mine is a different color than hers. So what I'm gonna do is get the lock, kind of untwist it a little bit. Get this comb it out just a little bit. This is the part that, you know, is part of the lock. Make sure the part is right. Grab that spray bottle, baby. I spray, I did. Boom. Just a little light little spray. Then grab the gel. This is literally so simple, and this is my everyday routine. Like, not really every day. I don't do my hair, front of my hair every day, maybe like every 4 days. But boom, grab my toothbrush, put some of that gel on there, brush it through real nice and good. Brushing it through. Then, since it's the front one, I'm gonna add a little, like literally the tiniest bit of edge control on the top of the lock, and then I kind of do like a overlay twist to it. Boom, palm roll, straight down, kind of stretch it out a little bit, like pull on the lock. Boom, boom. And since my hair is in a ponytail, I just wrap. I suck at this. I really hope y'all can see. But I wrap the dread around and I put it inside of the ponytail. I'm not good at palm rolling. I've never done the palm roll. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I do the very front one. Let's see. Twist. So comb this out. Is it rolling? Don't roll too tiny because I don't want to pop off. Part whatever hair I feel like shouldn't be in that lock. Just the little things that I don't like. And I'm going to spray my hair. Ooh, that's a lot of water. And I'm going to add the lock gel for my toothbrush. Boom. Then I'm going to grab my edge control. Grab just a little bit more than what I had just put on the lock behind it. Put it on the very front, like where your edges is at, and kind of twist into your first twist. You know what I mean? Like, let's try to show y'all to my best ability. So I'm just kind of twisting into the lock, and then this little excess hair you see that I still have that I cannot twist onto my scalp, I can just like go like that and palm roll the rest. Boom. So that's how that one looks, and I put this one into my ponytail also. All of them is gonna go to my ponytail just because I'm gonna wear my hair in a ponytail right now. But you can use bobby pins to lay them down, like those little silver clip pins, that works. Retwist. I'm gonna grab my toothbrush, put some water to it, and kind of brush my edges down. I'm gonna grab my edge control brush, and then I'm going to apply some edge control to my brush. Y'all ladies know how to do your edges, and I just kind of swivel, a little something, you know. And boom. Next I'm gonna grab my bestie mascara to lay my edges down. It's like a silky hair while I do my I don't have a scarf to lay my edges down. I'm not gonna lay them down because I'm about to go to work anyways. And they're gonna curl back up. So. Now we're gonna get into makeup. So she's doing her makeup right now, and I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows off camera because I'll have to wear a mask to work. So there's no point in me doing a face, like putting foundation on any of that. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I did a natural week, you know, my everyday look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. So this is the final look. Be quiet. This is the final look. It's retwisted. I'm gonna keep it in the ponytail, let it air dry a little bit more, and I'll show you guys after I get off of work how they look once they're fully dry. Okay, you guys have a great day. Have a great day. It is July 1st. It's another month during quarantine. Are we still in quarantine? Is summer still canceled? I don't know, but people are still out here. Individuals are still out here acting dumb, being racist, and you know, acting like they don't have any home training or any soul. I hope you're not one of those people. If you are, there's always another day to do better, to be better, to live better. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like my video if you did. Comment down below. Did I do a good job? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I think I did a pretty good job. I got the sun shining on my melanin. Come through. Come through. Oh. But yes. See you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell me I woke up like this.